Okay, this moment you are going to learn how to withdraw from Binance. Okay, you first open your Binance account, and this is your home page. So you go to wallet, and when you go to wallet, you go to spot, then you go to transfer. You are going to transfer your wallet amount to your founding amount. So you go to transfer, and you see from the spot wallet to founding amount. Then you change the currency to USDT. You change the currency to USDT and you enter the amount here. When you enter the amount here, you confirm the transfer, and automatically the money goes to the funding. The money goes to the funding. Okay, so when the money goes to the funding, that is when you can sell it for mobile money payments or bank payments or other payments that you prefer. You would, if it's your first time, you would click on the P2P. P2P. You click on the P2P. When you click on the P2P, there's buy here and there is sell here. So you go to the sell. Yes, and the sell, you will see the amount people want to buy the USDT, and these are the people that want to buy it. So you go to the payment method so that you can filter it: bank transfer, mobile money, cash deposit, bank, or international wire swift. So you can do that as well. So when you choose your payment method and you have a suitable price that you would want to sell the USDT, you click on sell. So the moment you click on sell, you click on the amount you want to sell. It should be by crypto. You select by crypto. You click the amount here, then you select your payment method, then you sell with zero fee. So when you sell, the person would also send you the money before you confirm. That's how we withdraw money from Binance.